Hey, what's up everyone, and thank you for joining Optimal Tech. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment down below. Today's first invention is the Smart Sink, invented by the Turkish inventor Osman Khan Özkanlı. The sink was invented 10 years ago, but just recently was discovered. That is how long sometimes it takes for invention to be discovered and go viral. Let's take a look at TechTax, a technology created by Chaotic Moon. It was designed to collect health, fitness data, and also enable a wallet-free payment option. It consists of small electric components that users stick to their skin and connect them with conductive ink. This technology is capable of collecting health data that can be shared with your physician for a remote diagnosis. It is also a great device for people requiring constant care and monitoring. We are all aware of massages' health benefits, how relaxing they make us feel and how important they are. LEROU Robot is a head massager created just for that. It massages your temple by providing real finger simulation. The head ring only weighs 350 grams, is adjustable to fit all head sizes, runs for 3 hours, and the silicone massage head is FDA approved. It can be used at work, at home, or while taking a walk. This invention is priced at $169. Now let's take a look at the Sunflower Labs system, a beautifully designed autonomous security drone. It comes equipped with the sunflowers, which are vibration and motion sensor activated, and is able to detect any movement up to 20 feet away. When motion is detected, the drone, also referred to as the bee, will emerge from the hive and will start detecting what the issue is, while transmitting data to your phone or tablet. It can be set up for scheduled patrol routes autonomously by simply responding to signals from the sunflowers or a manual mode. It is also equipped with anti-collision sensors so the drone doesn't get into any trees, and also has a GPS router. It is priced a little under $10,000 and $500 per sunflower unit. Don't you just find it annoying carrying stuff around when going somewhere, especially when you do have a lot? Let's take a closer look at the Cheetah Robot, designed to pair and follow a person without bumping into any obstacles by using 360-degree vision sensors. A wearable device is required that GITA will be communicating with. This robot is the first in its category that understands and anticipates movement of people around it and the person it is following. Now let's take a look at the GOTEK wireless foldable keyboard, a perfect device to pair with any cell phone or tablet, making it easier to type. It is small, easy to carry, and is compatible with Androids, Windows smartphones, iOS, and tablets, supporting up to 10-inch screens. This foldable keyboard offers up to 60 hours of write time on a single charge, and is only 0.23 inches when folded. It is priced at $89. DAQRI smart helmets looks like something Iron Man would definitely wear. It is powered by Intel's RealSense technology, making augmented reality a plus in the workplace. Equipped with 13 megapixel HD, low and high resolution, as well as 2D target and color recognition, showing the different steps that have to be taken when working on industrial sites. The Microsoft HOLOLENS 2 is a much more advanced version as the previous model. Let's just enjoy this short clip.